Hello दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अंकिता एंड कुंज वर्ल्ड। माय नेम इज़ कुंज पटेल एंड आई एम 10 years old एंड आज मैं साइंस सिटी आया हूँ, वो भी पहली बार। और आज मैं हॉनेस्ट रिव्यू दूँ। वाओ, सो लेट्स गो अहेड। सी, देयर इज द फिश, देयर आर सेम टू सेम फिश। It will, if you eat, it will get poison. You will get poison. And it is hiding. You can see that's having very big tail. Wow, look at her eyes and mouth. And here there are holes also. You can see here. You can see holes. And very loud tail. So you can see. So you can see there are having its glimpse, and there are some tall clouds, some short ones. So you can see the fish are hiding. Fishes, they are hiding also. So you can see. So we are going to visit the shark tunnel. Okay, let's go. Wow, it's very nice. I want to see the shark. Wow. So you can see there is the shark. There's the shark. Wow, the shark. Oh my God. They're sleeping over there. The big sharks. Oh my God. The shark. So these are the frog fish. They are frog only, but they are also fish. So some are sleeping. This one is also sleeping. And some are playing. So you can see this fish.